Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to use Claude Code inside our PC with Ollama. We will use Ollama models to use Claude for free. You don't need to buy API tokens or pay for something, but we will use it with the free models which is provided by Ollama. Okay, so there are lots of models provided by Ollama that we can use, and we will install just Claude and use these models, different models. Look at these are the popular ones, so we can use one of them. So let's start. Okay, how we can just use it. First of all, we will install Ollama. Before this, you should have Node.js and Git installed on your PC. Simply move to Node.js and download, and you can simply download. Let's come here to the download section. Here you can download and install it. Very simple. There is nothing hard. And also search for Git, download Git and install Git also. If you would like to check the version of them, they are installed on your PC or not, so simply open CMD and search here for Git version. So you will see the version Git -v. Look at Git version 2.49, and also for Node.js CLS clear. For Node.js we will simply write Node version 22. You should have the version 18 plus for Node.js. So after installing these to come here to the Claude, first of all we will install Ollama. So just come here back to the home page of Ollama. There are two ways to install it. You can use the this command line PowerShell to install model, or you can move to download Ollama and install it on your PC. Click Windows and then press download button. So you can just download that like this. I will show you the setup. So this is the Ollama setup. It is very simple. Just double click and you will easily install Ollama. I have already installed it. Okay, I will show you it also in CMD. Ollama version. Like this, Ollama version is 0.17. It is very easy, nothing hard here. And what else we need is to have Claude. Okay, so to use Claude, for that simply open code.claude.com, come here to the quick start. In quick start, just come here down and step 1 to install Claude Code. To install on Mac, Linux, and WSL, you can use this command. For Windows, you can simply copy this command and run it through CMD. Or if you are, this is the PowerShell command. Look at this is the PowerShell command. If you are using CMD, then copy this command. So simply let's copy this and search for PowerShell and run as administrator. Paste that command and press enter, so it will install Claude on your PC. You will have the result like this whenever it complete. So you need to add the this path that they showed to the system variables also. Okay, you see this being this path. So we will simply add this to the system variables also. So let's now check the version of Claude. Okay, simply write here Claude version. Look at 2.1. This is the version of Claude Code. So after completing these two steps, installing Ollama and Claude Code, now we will use it locally. So we have two options to use this. Okay, let's try the first option. Come here and I will open a new folder. Just wait. So this is an empty folder. Here I will right click and open terminal. After opening the terminal, here I will right click and paste this Ollama launch Claude. It means it will launch Claude for us using this command. Press enter, so it will ask from us select your model. Okay, for example, which model you would like. Recommended are Minimax M2.5 Cloud, GLM5 Cloud Base, Kimi Cat2 0.5 Cloud, GLM4 Queen. These are the recommended. Right now the Minimax M2.1, this one is selected. We can use this arrow keys to select which model we want. Okay, for example, Minimax M2.5 or Queen 3. So let's press enter. So it says, do you want to download? Download Minimax M2.2 Cloud. We don't need. Press enter, so it will exit. So let's once again run it. Not downloadable. Yeah, those are not downloadable. But this one GLM4 is downloadable, which is 25 GB. Yeah, this is not cloud based. Okay, but these are cloud based. We can use it. This is the first method that you can use. But let's come here for the second method to use. So the second method is, let's come here to the Ollama website, come here to the models. Now here, for example, Minimax or Queen 3, which one you would like to use? For example, Queen 3, we want to use this model. So to use this model, there are different options, okay? Like CLI, Ollama run Queen 3, it will. But if you are using applications like Cloud Code or Codex, Open Code or Open Class, so you can select one of. So these are not cloud-based, but I want a cloud-based command line. Let's check for that. So simply let's copy this and empty folder, and here open terminal, and right click at the end. We will add cloud because we want the cloud based one. We don't want to install it. Pulling, yeah, it is accessing workspace. It needs to access this folder. Security guard, yes. So it is how we can access. Look at the cloud code now. We can use with the Queen 3 model. So you can ask from it now, and you can chat with it, and you can use Cloud Code for free using these free models. So it might, sometime it is busy, it will not respond, but most of the time you can use it for free, and you can just whatever you want. So you can ask from Cloud Code. So it was all about this, how we can use. Look at this is the Cloud Code, and use Cloud Code for free with these models which are provided by Ollama. Look at, these are the Ollama models that you can see here. You can, these are the popular, newest, and even you can search for free. All free models are listed here. Look at, these are all free models. Lots of models, okay, that you can use. But the recommended, the populars were those Minimax, Queen, and others that were listed, and we saw them. So it was all about this, how to use it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.